Hey everyone! Have you ever dreamed of swimming with dolphins? Well, let me take you on a magical journey, especially if you're a newlywed couple. Picture this: crystal blue waters, the sun kissing your skin, and the gentle, playful dolphins gliding around you. So my partner and I just got married, and we decided to splurge on an unforgettable experience. We arrived at this amazing marine facility where the staff was super friendly and gave us a quick briefing on how to interact with these incredible creatures. Safety first, right? The moment we stepped into the large pool, it felt like we were in another world. The dolphins, with their shiny, smooth skin and intelligent eyes, swam up to us, curious and welcoming. We were a bit nervous at first, but their gentle nature quickly put us at ease. Holding hands with my partner, we floated and laughed as the dolphins performed their enchanting dances around us. They even gave us a little push on our feet, making us glide through the water like we were flying. It was pure magic. The best part? We got to hug and kiss the dolphins. Their affection and playfulness made the experience even more special. We felt like kids again, full of joy and wonder. This adventure wasn't just about the dolphins, though. It was about connecting with my partner in a unique and unforgettable way. Sharing this dream with the person you love most creates a bond that's hard to describe. So, if you're looking for a once-in-a-lifetime experience, especially as newlyweds, don't hesitate. Dive in and let the dolphins make your dreams come true. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own magical moments in the comments below. Catch you in the next adventure.